Welcome to Debt Relief and Credit Repair channel. Your concerns are our answers. The information presented in this video and channel is for informational purposes only. No professional, accounting, educational, financial, investment, or legal advice is given or implied by the channel or moderators. You click this video looking for truth by proof. Do you have a friend that claimed 1099-A and C documents work in buying a car? Perhaps you're doubting, and that's why you are here. This video will help you to find proof that 1099-A and C documents provided by IRS can buy a car. Why did you keep on watching? Just shows you're interested. Now, imagine, a man named Neo bought a new car, and he showed it off to you. He told you that he was able to acquire it utilizing 1099-A and C. Would you easily believe what he said? What are your standards to accept his claim? If he will show you an audio and video proof, would you consider it justifiable? Are you confident to present this information to others? If you are to tell your family, friends, or co-workers, do you think they would believe you? Looking back, when I obtained valuable information last 2017 and entered the YouTube scene, everyone would not support me without proof. A claim will be validly accompanied by proof, and proof by truth. Well, claims will remain as is without evidence. If you could bring me proof that 1099-A and C work for you, please comment down below in this video. If you are to judge my opinions, this I'm telling you. Wake up and find your proof to bring out the truth.